Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check areas on the Royal Match application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find the different buttons, for example the profile, the settings, your money or your heart icon, or the level and the others. So if you want to check your areas, where are you playing this game, just click to the lower bar and click to the first icon, the book with the star, and here you can check that. Actually I use the area first, the castle, but if you reach different levels, you can use the throne room, dining room, garden, library and others. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.